Listen to this. 26 years ago, our next guest had a #1 hit called Runaway, and at its peak of popularity, this song was selling at the rate of 80,000 singles a day. It has been performed by Elvis Presley and the Beach Boys and can currently be heard as the theme on NBC's Crime Story. Here now, singing Runaway with Paul and the band. Please welcome Del Shannon.
What went wrong with our love, but that was so
strong. It was hard to watch when the memories began to leave. Sometimes I'd still pretend she remembered me. She forgot the good times, but I'm holding on to them all. I'll always remember me and Mom. She used to laugh at all my jokes, even though they weren't all funny. She'd never let us kids know she was short on money, 'cause she always had enough to pick up some ice cream for us all. Yeah, we had some good times, me and Mom. I like to think the day she finally found peace, she got to heaven and smiled when she remembered me. And if I know her well, she's probably talking God's ear off, telling him about the good times of me and Mom. We had a lot of good times.
Now.
Wizard of Oz.
That was her. That was one of the movies she would watch over and over and over again. So when they had it in the theater, I'm like, I gotta take her.
So look, I looked high and low trying to find it, right? Because I wanted. She had told us all about it so much. So I was like, well, Charlene, what movie was it? What theater? Because I want to go see it. No, it's just something special for me and my daughter.
Oh.
And the ones that said I, study crying. I wish I could. I wish I should have. So those are the ones that fall short, but the ones that can live and deal with their death, they did their part. And if nobody else tell you guys, you did. Y'all did y'all part. Y'all was there. Y'all was regular in her life. Thank you. And that's what she looked forward to.
Tell her coming over today.
I miss you. Come and see me.